we all have this one kid in class who we just don't like. Well, the kid in my class is like so annoying in the type of way where I'm pretty sure he tries and thinks he's the teacher's pet. Because my teacher could be like, okay guys, I need you guys to do some extra work over the spring break. And then we're all like, no, I don't want to do any work over the spring break. I want to have my break. And then he'd over here be like, yes, extra work, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, teacher. And I'm like, looking at him like, are you kidding me, right? You want to do work? Did you not hear the spring break part? Break? Does that not like alert to you or something? Does that not go in your small brain? Clearly not! And it is so annoying because he always agrees to everything the teacher